Once a job is posted, one of the best things you can do for yourself is apply quickly to be amongst the first couple of resume that the recruiter sees. You don't want your resume drowning with the next batch. Setting up job alerts is how you're going to achieve this. Imagine the convenience of waking up, checking your email, and you have a curated list of jobs that are a perfect match for you to apply to sitting in your inbox. Or let's say you're randomly going about your day and then a notification with another perfect job pops up on your phone. That would be like the ideal job searching situation and make it easier, right? You don't have to go down the rabbit hole of searching for relevant jobs on multiple job boards. Setting up LinkedIn job alerts can solve that problem for you. And in this video, I'm talking about how to use LinkedIn job alerts effectively to find your dream job. LinkedIn job alerts can be a powerful tool for staying updated on new job opportunities, but if you're not using them effectively, you could be missing out. So let's dive into it. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Nicole Nyasha. I'm an ex-recruiter, still certified in North America, and I share career and professional development content. If that's your type of content, please consider subscribing. I'd love it if you stuck around for more. Let's talk about job alerts. The entire purpose of this, like I already alluded to, is to have the opportunities come to you instead of you going to them. And the advantage of that is speed. The first step to using LinkedIn job alerts effectively is to customize your job alert preferences. LinkedIn allows you to set up job alerts based on specific criteria such as your location. This is particularly important if you're looking for a remote job or let's say you're trying to move to a different city. You can also use industry, job function, seniority level. By customizing your job alerts, you'll only receive notifications for the types of jobs that you're interested in, and that's why I love this so much. It tailors the alerts to what is truly suited for your preferences so that you're not wasting your time reading through all the nitty-gritties. By the time you get that notification, you can be somewhat confident that this is a job that meets certain basic criteria, and now you just focus on the actual job description. Just like with any system, the notifications are only going to be as good as the information that you provide. So you need to be very specific with your keywords or else you'll end up getting alerts for things that are not relevant. Instead of using broad terms like marketing or sales, because there's so many jobs under those umbrellas, try and use the more specific keywords related to your skills and experience. This will help you narrow down your job alerts and receive notifications for the most relevant opportunities. If you're an email marketer and your alert is marketing, trust me, you're gonna hate this feature because you're gonna be bombarded with a lot of irrelevant jobs until you use email marketing. It's also possible that your function doesn't have one specific title and could be many things. For example, a social media manager could be a content marketer, they could be an engagement marketer, so many things. It just really depends on the company and how they choose to assign their roles and their titles. If that's the case for you, you can set up multiple job alerts. The onus is on you to conduct your research prior to starting your job search to be aware of the different titles that you can potentially explore. Don't limit yourself to just one job alert if that will limit your search. LinkedIn allows you to set up multiple job alerts, so take advantage of that. You can also create job alerts for different locations, different industries, job functions to ensure you're covering all your bases and you're not missing out on anything. I know people in Canada right now who are ready to move to the US if a job presents itself. And so in that case, somebody would have job alerts for Canada and different cities in the US that they're looking to move to. You just never know which one's gonna work out. Something else I want to add is to schedule time to review your alerts regularly, especially if you're a passive job seeker. Because if you're active, you're likely going to act on every single alert. So once you've set up your job alerts, review them regularly. New jobs are posted on LinkedIn every day, like every hour. So it's important to stay updated on the latest opportunities. It's a good idea to go through the roles that the system has selected for you. There might be one that is truly of interest. And if you've done this for a while, you can then switch around your preferences and your keywords if you think that LinkedIn isn't recommending the right jobs. The issue could also be the keywords, but the best way to figure it out is to actually review the jobs you're receiving. Most importantly, ensure that your LinkedIn profile is optimized for the types of jobs you're interested in. Recruiters often search for candidates using keywords, so make sure that your profile is complete and it includes the relevant keywords related to your skills and your experience. Overall, just ensure that your profile is up to date and you're happy with the way it looks, because that's your public profile. I have tons of videos on how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. I'll link the playlist in the description box. So there you have it, some quick tips on using LinkedIn job alerts effectively by customizing your job alert preferences and being specific with your keywords, plus setting up multiple alerts and reviewing them regularly, and most importantly, optimizing your profile. You're definitely going to increase your chances of finding your dream job. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more career and personal development tips. I'll see you in the next video.